Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just keep going down. You click here on apps. You come to apps list here. It's going to show for you like this, and you're looking for WordPress app. Or just click on search, add here WordPress. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then you come to next step. It's going to show for you like this. Click on Forcestop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. Come to storage is here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.